Alright, this morning I'm going to take this 2021 GMC Sierra AT4 6.2 liter to a local muffler shop and have them rip out the stock muffler and annoying flapper valve and replace with a Borla ATAK muffler. I'll show you in the back seat what I got going on with the muffler. That's the part number right there. And I watched a video of a muffler shop doing the exact same thing. You have to do a little extension pipe on there to make it fit because the stock muffler is 45 inches long. Really long. All right, there we go.
The big water tank is twice that long.
I know, it's just like
I put in, that's where the muffler got cut off.
Yep, that's exactly right.
That's how long that thing.
And here's the old one right down here. Look at that. Wow. All right, I'm laying on the driveway. I want to show you these guys work. Looks like they welded right up there, clamped right there, and then in the back they welded I don't know if they welded a piece there or not, maybe, but it sounds absolutely perfect. Really, really deep rumble. It sounds like it just wants to take right off. Nice sound.